Third day in Boracay with love. Yun yung kinuha niya ka lang. Sa akin ito lang. Ito silog. Pang-apat na araw na namin dito ngayon sa Boracay. Pero kung makikita niyo, sobrang dark ko na. Makalimutan ko, meron pala kaming kantote. Ang hapdi na ng mga balat ko. Ngayon ko lang naalala may sunscreen. So yun, share ko lang. So yun guys, medyo madilim. Nandito tayo sa loob ng CR. So, napapansin nyo, sobrang gitim ko na. Pang-apat na araw na namin dito sa Boracay. Pero, nakalimutan ko, mayroon pala kaming dalang sunscreen. Ngayon ko lang siya naalala. Guys, bakit? Pero yun na nga guys, mag-chill lang kami ngayong araw. Kakain lang ng mga snacks. Kasi sobrang grabe nilakad namin nung kahapon. Ang layo ng nalakad namin. Hindi ko na masyadong na-vlog yun. Kasi nalubat na rin yung cellphone ko. Kasi nga, nakarating kami sa kabilang island. Sa kabilang beach. Ay! Toothbrush na sana ako nalaglag. Isa pa. Yan. Siyang dahil. Ay, magtutoothbrush na tayo. Yan. Ano ba gusto rin kayo sa nalaglag? What?
My butt's hanging out?
There's 16 guys.
Can you show it to the vlog?
Will you posted that?
No, I mean, show it to the vlog. Here now.
And then one of the guys
Oh,
records what they're saying. Goes to the press and says the FBI is planning to kidnap Richard Whitmer. I have proof. And gives them the recordings and the names
Show
of
your
the guys.
tush.
No.
It's literally an FBI
A
agent.
few moments later.
Punta na kami sa kainan. Tanan! Just the elevator wise. Thank you for... Hi everybody, we're here at the beachfront. So we're now looking for a spot to eat lunch.
What are you in the mood for?
I don't know yet. So Nigi, no, say, no. Nigi, seafood. Sarap, di ko sure.
Sir, fortune?
That's some big ones.
Gusto niyo try, ma'am?
Meanwhile,
Hi, so we're here now. We found a place to eat. So yeah, we're here. So this is the name of this restaurant. I don't know how to pronounce it.
Giuseppe's
Giuseppe.
Pizzeria and Sicilian Roast.
Nice.
Trying to see what like the pizzas. Where's the
Meron silang bar. At ando naman yung kanilang kitchen. Dito kain. Tapos ito yung kanilang menu guys. Sobrang hindi ako pamilyar. Kaya hindi ako pamilyar. Kaya yung in-order ko na lang is
marinated chopped chicken with we have a side dish for that, roasted vegetable, risotto rice, or mashed potato.
spaghetti carbonara.
Is this like small or
And
large?
guys, water lang tayo sa ngayon kasi sobrang init. And lately, puro na kami matatamis. So, more water. At syempre, mamaya magdi-dessert pa yan. Hindi naman nawawala yun. Yeah, water lang. Gaya siya. Ako kasi nag-water na siya din daw. So they have complimentary bread now.
Of course, really stuff.
Okay. Siyempre siya yung maglalagay kasi hindi ako marunong. Alright.
A little pepper.
Okay, not much. Ay, ito. Half dog, half cat daw. Cat dog.
A little salt.
Galing naman. Pwede na ba maging chef? Chef Boy Eric.
Alright.
Alright.
There you go, baby.
Thank you, babe. Talagang diba? Sarap. Thank you so much. Try natin. Okay.
Nice. Well,
How was it now?
yeah, that's it. Good bread.
Nice. Yummy. Ito naman, my turn. Try natin tong pita. Is this pita?
It's like a different focaccia. It's like pizza dough. Nothing on it.
It's pizza. Okay. Masarap. Parang may lasang apple sa una. Thank you po. Uy, ang lakas. Wow. Sa kanya, syempre, pizza.
I'm excited. That looks great.
Yan, mas okay pa rin dito. Sad lang dito. Sa carbonara kasi. Usually kasi pag nagka-carbonara yung nanay ko, naglalagay siya ng mushroom. Ito wala akong mushroom, pero masarap. Hindi kasi sinasabing di masarap yung nanay ko. Sarap din. May kahit mga mushroom. Favorite. How was it?
And hot, baby. That's really good. It's got a lot of flavor. That sauce is actually pretty damn spicy.
What's that?
It's like some sort of spicy vodka sauce or something. But it's like, that's on point. Might have to get more of that. Ooh, the crust is great. The cheese. We've had, what, 3 or 4 different pizzas here?
Yeah.
This one so far is the best, but what is it called? Giuseppe Pizzeria Sicilian roast. Okay, I was gonna say resort. I'm like, no, what? I was like, that doesn't make any sense. It's like I would sleep at a pizza place, but I don't know. They got a couch over there. I'll lay down.
Patay ko nga yung vlog kanina. Super small, guys. Ay, sorry ka. Oh, sige tayo pa. Ito sa big bag. Abibata. Abibata. Duno. Uy. I don't know. So, good na maglakad-lakad dito ngayon. Wrong timing yung paglalagay natin ng sunscreen kasi hindi maaraw. Kung kailan nangitim na, tsaka doon naglakad. Ay, naglakad. Kung kailan nangitim na, tsaka doon naglagay ng sunscreen. So, yan guys, kitang-kita nyo naman yung malinaw. Oo, kung nakikita ko sa video, kung naging kanino pero ayan po sa malinaw. Maulan lang. Kailangan na natin ulit itago yung phone kasi maulan. Waterproof to guys, pero nabasag kaya delicate mabasa na. So tago ko na. Feels so good. Feels so good. I'm with you. Diba? Kumanta pa nga. Woo! There's no tao.
I wish I had my swimsuit on.
Ayan guys, nandito kami sa dulo. Pero wala namang katao-tao. Ayan, meron ditong hotel pero parang wala namang tao. Parang si kuya lang yung nandun. Yung nagbabantay. Tapos, wala masyadong tao dito. Mabibilang lang. Punta kami dun sa kabila. Looks good here. Actually. Pero talagang natatakot ako. Ewan ko, natatakot lang ako. Medyo nakakampante na ako kasi may tao dito. Siguro napag-budget sila. Pero brave nila ha. Kasi bago kami dito. Nandito na sila. So, wow. Kung halimbawa, kasama ko yung friends ko, hindi kami makakarating ng ganito kalayo for the picture. Depende sa kanila. Yung iba. I don't know. Pero ako natatakot ako. Hindi ba? Tao nga. Pero hindi ganun kadami kagaya dun sa may station 2. Ito yung station 3 I guess. O lagpas na pa ng station 3. Kasi ang ano na dito sobrang madamo na tapos mabato. Guys, nakakatakot. Shit. Sana wala man lang lumabas na kahit na ano. Sorry, takot talaga ako sa mga gantuan. Pero, dito sa Eric. Yeah, good stuff. Oh my God. Diba si takot pero mahilig. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh. Palubat na ako, kaya baka mamaya hindi ko na mabidyohan lahat. Baka mamaya hindi ko na siya mabidyohan yung pabalik namin, wala nang video. Hi bye. Kaya baka pag nag-shutdown kung hanggang saan na lang abuti ng video namin, hanggang na lang. Pero tutuloy ko pa naman kasi hindi pa tapos yung araw. Bawa, pagkakain kami, syempre, saan pa ito pupunta? Lalapit pa talaga. Huwag na tayo dito, baby. Mamaya may malaglag na ba ito dyan eh. Huwag naman. Luko, nakakatakot. Talaga tayo ito, talaga na ito. Ayan, sumilip pa dun. Oh, guys. Anong kakulitan yan? guys, nangyari na kasi to dati. Like, yung ayoko talagang sumama sa kanya, sumunod-sunod. Eh, kasama na ako sa vlog. Nandun kami nun sa Palawan. Tapos, nakarating din kami sa dulo ng Palawan. Kasi nga, kaka-vlog niya, kakalakad namin. Layo na narating namin. Nakarating kami sa dulo. Ayoko nang tumuloy kasi parang ganito na, edge na siya. Parang iikutin mo na yung ano, yung kabilaan para marating mo yung kabilang part. Pero siya, gusto niya pa din. Sabi ko, ay naku, hindi na talaga. Love! Let's go back na. Tapos, nag-away kami. Kasi ayoko na nga tumuloy. Tapos ito na naman siya. Kaya mag-away. Pero, para sa vlog hindi. Kasi ito na naman siya. Kulit na naman. Ano na? Tapos nagagalit siya sa akin kasi sabi ko, ayoko na. Sabi niya, kasama ka sa vlog. Tapos iiwan mo na ako dito mag-isa. Ano nang mangyayari? Ano nang, ang pangit pa ng vlog natin. Hindi na sabihin, hindi na maayos. Kasi bigla kang nawala. Hanapin ka ng mga viewers. Ganyan-ganyan. Ng mga nanonood. Kala mo talaga, sabi ko, ayoko talaga sumama. Ganyan-ganyan ako dun sa Tingloy. Sabi niya, sige, gusto mo ba maghanap na lang ako? Kasama ko sa vlog. Nakatawa, guys. Tapos sabi, di ako naman, ay bahala ka. Ganyan. Pero after na, nagbati naman kami. Nag-sorry kami sa isa't isa. O diba, story time pala to, guys. Hindi, naalala ko lang kasi nung nagpunta kami nga ng Tingloy noon, Tingloy, Palawan noon, narating namin yung dulo ng Nakpan Beach. Tapos doon, nag-away kami. Ano naman yung nakita mo? Ay, naku, ang kulit talaga. Tapos ayun, nag-away. Dahil nga, mahilig siya talagang mag-ufisa ng mga bagay-bagay. Ako, matatakotin ako. Alam na mga friends ko yan. At ng family ko. Talagang duwag ako. Pero hindi naman. Siyempre, kailangan palang hindi palaging natatakot. Kasi paano ng buhay kung hindi mo susubukan, di ba? Hindi mo malalaman kung hindi mo susubukan ng isang bagay. Ay, umawak pa nga si itlog, oh. Kaya nandito na yun. Cover din naman kami nag-away. Ang kulit lang talaga. Yes, oh my God, ano yan? What's that, babe?
Seaweed.
Seaweed. Ba't hindi naman ako seaweed, eh? Ang basura ko, eh.
A few moments later.
Guys, ang ganda ng sunset. Super ganda. Super ganda. Ang ganda, guys. Hindi yan edited. Ito yung kabilang dagat. Tapos ito yung white beach na dagat. Sobrang ganda. Wow. So kita niyo yan, guys. Sobrang ganda. What the? Hi, so for the dinner, we're here at Koryo.
What was this place called?
Koryo. Dito kami sa loob. Talagang sa malamig siya pumwesto. Sa tabi namin yung dito. At ang aming pangluto. Cooks. Thank you po. Mother. Ayan na, naku po.
Yum, yum.
Oh, ang aming food. So, we're gonna eat. How was it, babe? Yeah, the flavor is good. It is really delicious. Delicioso. Okay, super sarap. Sarap. Super sarap. Super. Hungry.
How you doing the video, man?
Hi guys, tapos na kami kumain and we're so stuffy. Eric's wanna fart.
Yeah. No, that made me tired. Lots of soup. That was good. Lots of beef. No, that was delicious. So the broth was on point. No, that was a good place. So what?
Choreo.
Oreo?
It sounds like choreographer.
Sounds like Oreo. Okay. No, it does.
It does. Oreo.
Awesome. What next?
What next? You said you wanna pee.
Like creepy stare at the camera.
I do want to pee, but I'm saying, do you want to go back to the hotel, or do you want to like walk around the beach?
It's up to you, babe.
Oh my god, I'm tired.
Okay, you're tired? Okay, let's go walk to the beach. I'm just kidding. Oh, let's go now. Let's go back to hotel.
We're good.
Let's do it. I'm just
tired.
kidding. Me too, babe. I'm poor.
Maybe we can get up early tomorrow at the beach. Maybe we'll
We're
end up
saying
raining
it
and
at the
stuff.
same time.
What'd you say?
I'm poor.
Well, I said I'm poop means I'm tired. You said you have to poop. This
No, I said I'm poop. I'm
Yeah,
tired.
no, like you're pooping.
No.
Like what? How you
No,
say?
stop na the
You say
vlog.
it's knocking at the back door. It's knocking. You're like, ooh, it's knocking. I gotta go.
I never
Ooh,
say.
yeah, you
I
do.
never say that.
It's a term that you use.
I never said
Ooh,
that.
it's knocking. I gotta go.
More. Wait. No,
And you go,
Eric.
that's what she does to me. When she's in public and she wants to tell me that she has to go poop, she turns to me and goes,
Oh, stop na. Bye-bye.
oh, it's knocking.
Wait, babe. We need to buy
Oh, it's knocking.
the soap.
Oh my god.
Wait a bit. Hi guys, this is Alex and Eric's vlog. We're gonna end the vlog now because we're tired and we're gonna sleep. Wake up tomorrow morning for another day. What you gonna say, babe? Oh wow.
I'm tired.
Sorry, babe. I'm gonna kiss you na lang.